In today's video, we're gonna be using the Grim Reaper kit as it got buffed a few weeks ago, and this kit is actually pretty OP now, so I hope you enjoyed the video. There's a Star Collector Stellar dude trying to break my bed. Anyways, I still had 100 HP, so I didn't really get to use the ability to see the ability, but yeah, it does quite a lot of regeneration, so yeah, it's pretty OP. I got the green dude's bed, so now she's running away. Anyways, I just got her. The Grim Reaper ability did quite a lot of regeneration, which is pretty cool. I think it used to be about 18 before, now it's 22. I just hope it was a bit more faster and it would be even more OP, but right now it's already pretty OP, so yeah. And Red's been fighting the whole time. Blue just respawned. I'm just gonna go ahead, get this bed, and then probably kill him. I'm pretty sure he's gonna run away though. Okay, he's just gonna run away, of course. Anyways, I think I'm just gonna go get Red's bed next. I don't even know he knows I'm here. And yep, got it. Dude, I'm literally getting spawn killed by purple right now. I got spawn killed like a million times, and this guy got a rage blade, so I think I'm ready to make a run for it. Pretty sure I'm gonna lose, but like, I guess it's worth trying. I've been running for like a minute now, and yep, I died. But why is there like an annoying Tesla coil here? Hold up, did I just win? Yo, I just won. Well, that's why you don't spawn kill in Bedwars, guys. Anyways, let's just move on to the next game. I'm gonna go ahead, rush this dude. He probably has no idea. Okay, he does know. Anyway, just gonna knock him off into the void now. Yep, GG's. Yeah, I'm just gonna casually watch red and purple fight each other. Well, there goes purple. RIP. Anyways, I'm just gonna get this red dude. He doesn't even have iron armor, so this should be a piece of cake. If I die, it should be a shame though, because I have a 15 emeralds on me. Anyways, this guy's gonna die. RIP. Yep, got his bed. This guy got the Spirit Evelyn kit. Cyan dude just got obliterated by green, and the green dude is also Grim Reaper, which is pretty cool, I guess. Okay. What is this guy trying to do? And yep, my man just got outplayed. Well, not exactly, but yeah, kinda. Okay, time to get green now. Okay, go ahead, save the soul for later. Break the bed, consume the soul. And yep. GG. Blue dude's the last dude alive, so yeah, I'm gonna get his bed. He does have a diamond sword, which is bad for me. And it's got like pro bow aim. Yo, chill. What? Bro, what was that? Yeah, I'm not sure if it was... Okay, just one. I'm not sure if that was hacks or actually just me glitching inside a block, but yeah. Anyways, if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.